In the heart of the forest clearing, the annual speed race announcement ignites a flurry of excitement among the forest creatures. Tala, a small turtle, emerges, her voice unwavering as she boldly declares, "I intend to participate." A ripple of laughter erupts as disbelief washes over the crowd, their mocking glances aimed at Tala's slow pace. Tala stands firm amidst the mockery, her small eyes glinting with unwavering determination. In the heart of the forest training grounds, Tala relentlessly pushes her limits, weaving through obstacles with unwavering determination. Despite stumbling blocks and moments of doubt, Tala's unyielding resolve propels her forward, honing her pace with each stride. A montage of relentless practice showcases Tala's evolution, her speed and stamina growing with each passing moment. Amidst the chorus of mocking laughter from onlookers, Tala remains steadfast, her unwavering focus silencing the noise and fueling her ambition. The forest racetrack bursts into life, a symphony of motion and ambition as the swiftest animals surge ahead, leaving Tala in their wake. Distractions plague the fleet-footed, as rabbits and foxes succumb to the forest's allure, while deer falter under the weight of their own haste. Amidst the chaos, Tala emerges as a beacon of steadfastness, her consistent pace and cautious navigation steadily closing the distance. As rivals falter, Tala's unwavering resolve propels her forward, transforming the race into a testament of endurance and strategy. In the heart of the forest, a scene of disbelief unfolds as Tala approaches the finish line, her victory a beacon of hope amidst the trees. With a final, desperate surge, Tala triumphs, igniting a symphony of cheers that echoes through the ancient woods. Tala's victory transforms into a powerful emblem of hope and persistence, resonating deeply within every creature in the forest. In the heart of the forest, a vibrant celebration erupts, honoring Tala amidst a symphony of supportive animals. Tala's resonant words echo through the forest, igniting belief and perseverance in every heart. Believe in yourselves, always. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. A heartwarming moment of unity and friendship embraces the forest, revealing the transformative power of Tala's journey.